Hello, good morning. So ni-discuss na po ang sabi kalainan sa entrepreneur o management. Traditional ba nga ang andasan na to sa manager, no? In a way, makita na to din ang unsay gyud ang scope and limitation sa entrepreneurial management. Entrepreneurial management, this is the actually the morning course description within you sa inyong one. It is actually the practice of using innovative and strategic mindset. Discuss naman the growth mindset, di ba? Dahil siya sa fixed mindset to lead and grow business venture. So kung ikaw mag-major ka og entrepreneurship, dili lang entrepreneurship mo undang, kundi it is the art of practice of using innovative and strategic mindset. It doesn't necessarily mean nga lagi kay actual nga business, pero although that is required, so dapat lagi kay ideas about traditional corporate management, which focuses on maintaining and improving existing operations. So kung ikaw lugar entrepreneurship management major, dapat kabalog ikaw sa mga focus o maintaining and improving existing operation lugar sa corporate management. Okay, identify new opportunities kung saan pag-manage of risk, and then come up with agile decisions to achieve rapid growth of business. So, kailangan hindi ginagawa kung you live up with the expectation. Pero sa ato karon, kailangan na pa kahit tayo mga activities, no? Wala pa kahit tayo mga infrastructures na ma-develop din lugar, mahon din yung talent ito entrepreneurial management. Okay, at any rate muna siya mga focus. Kasi different siya sa manager, traditional manager o entrepreneurial manager. Ang entrepreneurial manager, ang traditional manager, no, sa atong pagsabot, mo report na siya kada adlaw, making sure nga na-oversee niya ang day-to-day activities or operations, making sure na katulungang activities kada adlaw are smooth, no? May smooth smooth ang operation. Whereas ang entrepreneurial manager, aside from overseeing the existing day-to-day operations and business, katanaon po niya ang possibility of identifying or creating new business ventures and opportunities. So you see, oversee, create and identify business opportunities. So different siya kayo, no? So muna focus dapat sa mga entrepreneurial management. Pero dili mo entrepreneur, financial management, you can be one. Someday you can run your own operation. What is the difference between traditional manager and entrepreneurial manager in terms of risk? In terms of risk, usually ang traditional manager based lugar sa research nga atong review na usually mo ni mga tao mga risk averse, they avoid risk and usually works within an established framework to maintain stability. So ang ilaan na mo avoid og risk, dayon mag-operate sila kada adlaw in such a way nga stable ang dagan sa negosyo. Pero ang entrepreneurial management ilang i-calculate ang risk, okay, and then apply innovative techniques for economic growth. So, dili lang mag-avoid og risk. Kabalugi ka mag-calculate sa risk. Educated guess ba? And then, aron mo drive og innovation and growth sa company. Ba? So, lahi kayo. Dinhi, i-calculate ang risk, then avoid. But how can you avoid in the first place without any idea how to calculate, no? And how to apply innovative strategies. Okay? Strategies on the existing framework of business. And then in terms of resource management, ang traditional manager usually works with the resources already at hand within the company's existing budget. So, kung resources ito kung sulihan, ang manager, igo lang yun siya mag-operate kung sa naka-budget. They work usually with resources already at hand or budgeted. While an entrepreneur is, they pursue opportunities with limited resource, with limited resources currently available na resources. Hindi ka na-operate. Bisag gamay na ang resources. They can operate with limited resources. Why? Because ang focus nila is they identify opportunities without necessarily have the budget at hand. So, without necessarily resources at hand. Resources. And then when it comes to goals, so may mga goals sa manager. Usually ang manager is say target ilang ganaabton. Okay? So to avoid organizational problems and solve organizational problems, nasa lang mga target of achieving a goal. Now, ang entrepreneur manager drives toward a vision of disruptive growth. So, bisag dili lugar sila mga target, basta na sila goal towards disruptive growth. So, ilang goal ana is dunay growth. But it doesn't necessarily mean na stable ang dagan. There might be some level of uncertainty. So, in other words, take good risk ang entrepreneurial manager. And they can operate very well, even in uncertain areas, no? And lastly, the traditional manager relies on established system and procedures for making decisions. So, kung sino naka-establish ng system, ito lang ang kaluhon. Whereas ang entrepreneurial manager create a problem-solving and flexible approach to find a solution. So, lahi na difference siya. Nagiging na siyang risk na din ang innovative strategy mag-uban sa entrepreneurial management. In other words, it consists of 3 stages. Kung mag-negosyo ka, it consists of 3 stages, 4 stages by the way. So, muning orientation sa entrepreneurial manager. Entrepreneurial manager usually explore the feasibility of business idea, product or services. So, tanaw nila possible ba nga produkto, posible ba nga idea or mga services. Then later on, after evaluating the feasibility. So, na-agree-agree lang yun ang feasibility study. So, no? And then, start na yun. The business is difficulty. Siguro, officially, formation na rin siya. Startup stage, pag-form na yun sa negosyo. With initial capital that is generated. And, siguro, gitest na ang market. Doon na yung market test na gi-conduct ani. So, pre-startup age feasibility study. Startup age mo na siya ang with initial capital is official formation sa negosyo. And then after the initial formation, kita na rin doon early growth and kita na rin doon growth sa negosyo. Siguro ang business begins to find nga kadako ang operation, no? Na-expand ang dagan sa ilang demand, kadako ilang merkado. And then later on, muna isang late growth stage, matures into a stable and established enterprise. Din na dahil mahimo na siya negosyo worldwide, global, no? Dili lang sa domestic market kundi sa foreign market, kay doon na may economies of scale, tapos ang operation. In other words, ang entrepreneurial manager na mo gini mga dimensions nga dapat no? Dimensions or attributes. Okay. So being a finance manager, being a finance manager, na mo idea ni mga innovative behavior ka na naman sa inyo ang knowledge and skills of accounting, no? Economics. So pwede ninyo na magamit yung hibalo pag-generate of knowledge and skills. So muna ang innovative behavior sa entrepreneur. Dahil yun di kalalis na agin ang networking, no? Acquisition of information for possible successful adaptation, no, of the business in a changing environment. So nagay kay networking dili lang siguro imong mga hilingan, community at large, customer nimo, no? Networking. For example, before going to the customer, mga isa ka og channel, no? Channel of distribution, mga ka og siguro syudad, region, tayo na national and as a whole before penetrating a particular segment in the population. So that's how gonna work ang networking nimo. So you need other people, you need utilities to do that for you: time, form, place, position, and service. And then time, space, communication framework. So kinahanglan kag synchronous ang asynchronous communication. Pamilyar naman kayo mo ng synchronous and asynchronous, no? So it simply means nga proper distribution of communication channels, no, across space and across time. And then you are a person with global and local thinking, no? Local, national, global, cultural literacy. So you are familiar with international events, international happenings, dili lang local. And then educational organization as knowledge centers. Eskwelahan mo na mga sentro sa knowledge sa entrepreneurship. Natay mga gitawag nimo kanang bitaw incubation. So big universities like Ateneo de Manila, like Santo Tomas, like San Carlos sa Cebu, na sila magitawag og incubation. Usually ang kapadagan na ng mga businessman lang gyapon, no? Nagkabang sa university para mo come up og organization. Bisag na itong gobyerno na may gitawag og university nga Center for Entrepreneurship. Ay doon na to dapat ihanap po tanong. Busy. Mahimot ang center. And then integrated face-to-face and internet-based learning. So to make entrepreneurship, to make your business international, kunya competitive, no, can work well in a competitive environment, it must have not only possible alliances or networking with other nations, with other companies. It must more work with other companies. Kanang gitawag mo input relationship, output relationship with other companies. Aron makita nga kung imong operation is within the companies, in the industry's average. So, muna siya ang scope and limitation sa entrepreneurship that you should be aware of. Anong masabi mo nga nung nag-major mag-entrepreneurship na di man ay mahibawa ng entrepreneurial manager? Kung say diferensya sa traditional manager o entrepreneurial manager. So, this is the lesson. Muna yung lesson na ito. Alright? Good morning.